Okay, so this is a little movie to show how to upgrade the controller IC. I'm starting with version 2.71 alternative A, and I want to upgrade to version 2.80. One of the things that changes in the upgrade is the Hall sensor menu. So if we have a look there, you can see there's no options yet here for a PLL, which is something which was added in version 2.80. So if we go back, the upgrade is triggered by sending an exclamation mark. At this point you can still go back by resetting the controller. So if I now reset, then we're still back in 2.71a. Okay, so let's try again. See, it wants you to set the PC to 4800 baud for this upgrade. So 4800. It shows here in the bottom the actual baud rate, and to change this you need to do this open close. Now it's at 4.8. Let me just clear the screen here for clarity, and then here in send it has this option dump file to port, and this is basically a toggle file. Toggle file toggles between options 2.71a and version 2.80. And to now perform the upgrade you just send this file. As it's sending, the controller IC is sending back these dots, indicating it's busy with the upgrade. If you select the wrong toggle file, for instance if you have version 2.81 and you send toggle file 2.71, 2.80, then it will see it's not the correct version and it will display an X and then basically freeze. And at this point you can reset, you switch the terminal back to 115 kilobaud and you're still in your version 2.71a. The reason the upgrade is rather slow is the chip has no control over what the PC is doing. The PC is just sending the toggle file, which is basically a huge amount of ASCII data, and there's no handshaking. Nothing for the controller to tell the PC to slow down or to stop while it's busy processing. And since the self-programming that the controller IC is doing at the moment, because basically it's receiving data, calculating the new program data and writing it to its own internal ROM. This process is rather slow, and in order to slow down the data transmission I set the data rate from the port to 4.8 kilobaud to make sure that the controller IC can keep up. As it's transmitting, I want to show this. This is the checksum for the controller IC, and I haven't written down the checksum for 2.71a, but this is the one for 2.80. So after the upgrade we should be able to get this checksum out. If you interrupt the upgrade, then it's basically over. If I were now to reset the controller IC while it's busy with the upgrade, then part of the program memory is already at 2.80 while other parts are still in the old 2.71a. And since all subroutines etc. in the program are shuffled every time a new version is made, this is basically done by the assembler and linker, it means that if the beginning of the program memory is 2.80 and the end of the program memory is 2.71, it's not going to work together and basically it will break the controller IC. But if you don't interrupt it, then it should be okay. As it's progressing, it's showing these dots. And now that it has finished, it with a star shows that it's finished. Okay, so now first to get the controller IC back online, I reset it, and I have to switch the PC back to 115 kilobaud. I have to click this open to make sure here, and now I have version 2.80. If I look in the Hall sensor menu, we have now these new options for the PLL, for the filtering of the Hall signals, and with the percent I get the checksum. See, and it matches the checksum for a correct version 2.80. I can go back to the old version 2.71 alternate by uploading the toggle file again. Then I again, with an exclamation mark, enter the upgrade mode, send the same toggle file at a reduced baud rate, and I will go back to 2.71a.